See that one just up and to the left that needs to be gotten? Yeah.
I already cut it.
Oh, okay. That's a big tree.
You should see the size of it when it's
Okay. You know, it's funny. You are 5 feet tall. And then it keeps going. This is the biggest tree we've ever had. I wish Courtney was here. She'd be laughing. Keep going.
She shouldn't be surprised. I'm gonna get eaten. Ow. Oh, do you hear the string snapping?
Yep. Is that it?
Yeah, I'm just doing the one that's attached to the bottom branch.
That is a giant, giant tree. Ta-da!